On Windows 11, you can use Update History to see a list of updates installed on the device. When you want to check if a new update was installed successfully or failed to apply, the Windows 11 Update History can also come in handy when you know more about your recently installed quality updates or one of them is causing issue and you need to uninstall it. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to check Windows 11 Update History from Command Prompt. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start, search for CMD, right click the top result and select the Run as Administrator option. Type the following command to view the update history and press enter. If you want to find a specific update, you can use the KB number typing the following command and press enter. Check the Windows Update History of your computer. After you complete the step, you will get a list with link the Microsoft Support website to know the content of the updates. You will also see an installation date, description, hotfix and more. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.